Steel ribs under desert sun, assembly lines that never run on hope alone, just current and code, battery veins in overload, robots hum in perfect time, torque and data intertwine, dust and heat, relentless art, blueprint beating like a heart, fabric nerves and conveyor belts, precision built, efficiency felt. Gigafactory heart, pumping volts in the dark. Score it up, break it down. Turn the whisper to a spark. Mass produce the future from a single start. Every cell ignites the Gigafactory heart. Lithium dreams and stacked arrays, power stored for brighter days. No more smoke in the rearview glass, just silent torque and forward mass. Numbers climb on glowing screens, margins tight and profit lean. Speed is born from iteration, volume is the innovation. Bigger than a single car, it's system thinking at scale. We are Gigafactory heart, pumping volts in the dark. Multiply the output, make efficiency an art. Charge the grid, charge the road, redesign the chart, a time to share our pulse. A Gigafactory heart. Score is the spell, repeat it well. Unit by unit, we break the shell. Cost per kilowatt falling fast. Future built to outlast. Metal sparks and data streams, factory floors of electric dreams.